Welcome to a quick review of Autoblogging AI. Before we start, I've put a link to Autoblogging in the description so you can give it a try yourself after this video. Autoblogging AI is an AI-powered content generation tool designed to help create long-form articles and blog posts automatically. It aims to help website owners and content creators produce high-quality, SEO-optimized content quickly and efficiently. At the core of its functionality, Autoblogging AI generates long-form content based on the user-provided keywords or topics. It uses advanced AI algorithms to create articles that are readable, informative, and optimized for search engines. Now, when it comes to the key features, we love the one-click article generator. Users can generate SEO-optimized articles with a single click, saving time on content creation, which is great. You also have the feature to create bulk articles. This tool can produce multiple articles simultaneously, allowing for rapid content generation. You also have the Amazon Reviews Writer. Autoblogging AI includes a feature for writing long-form Amazon product reviews, complete with pros, cons, and improved suggestions. Much like what we're doing, but in a written form. Also, generated articles are available in HTML format, making it easy to paste directly into WordPress or other content management systems. Users can also specify the number of paragraphs and keywords to use, thus allowing a tailored content creation. Now, because of these features, you can already guess some of the pros. AI blogging is time-saving, which significantly reduces the time required to create content, thus allowing the users to focus on other aspects of their business. It is also cost-effective because this tool automates content creation, thus reducing the need for human writers and associated costs. Another pro is that the generated content is optimized for search engines, potentially improving website rankings, which is great. And we have to mention its versatility. This tool can create various types of content, from informational articles to product reviews. As with any software, there might be some drawbacks. Now, while the content is readable, it may not match the quality of human-written articles, thus requiring some human editing. And it also has the potential for duplicate content. There is always a risk with AI to generate similar content across multiple websites using the same tool. And another con worth mentioning is Google updates. So recent Google algorithm updates have triggered AI-generated content, potentially affecting websites heavily relying on such tools. And some users may find that this tool lacks the advanced customization options for more specific content needs. As with any tool, we are also interested in the plans or pricing. So we're going to go over to the top and select that, and you can see it has about 3 options. Now, as usual, if you're paying annually, you get to save more than paying monthly. As shown here, if you pay annually, you get to save 35%. And this applies to all plans. So if you're paying annually, you get to pay $399, $799, and $1,999. Of course, these different plans have their pros and their cons. For example, for the regular, you have just 720 credits. However, if you're going for the premium, you're going to have 6,000 credits immediately. And there is a leveling field because you have the free 60-minute strategy call, whether you're using the regular, standard, or the premium. And then when we go over to monthly, you can see the price of $49, $99, and $249 monthly. In conclusion, Autoblogging AI can be a powerful tool for website owners and content creators looking to generate large volumes of content quickly. It offers features that can save your time and potentially improve your SEO performance. However, users should be cautious about over-relying on AI-generated content, especially in the light of recent Google updates targeting such practices. The tool may be most effective when used in conjunction with human editing and oversight to ensure quality and originality. So that's it. If you found this helpful, give it a like. Click in the link to explore Autoblogging AI and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, turn on the notification for our next video, and we'll see you in the next one.